Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our weekend video report for Saturday, December 26, 2015. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday. And let's get started. So, Friday was a pretty lackluster day. I kind of had a feeling it was going to be something like that. I didn't really see any big moves coming either way. It was a half a day. So, we saw a little bit of selling at the end. And what I think really the best thing we could do right now is just go over the different possibilities that are out there because we had a pretty good move off of the lows. We had a pretty good move off of the highs as well when we were here. This one, like I said, surprised me. This one, I think, surprised some people as they're counting the Santa rally out, and it could continue. So really, I think the easiest way to do this is just instead of going into all the different wave counts, just break things into little ABC patterns. And this one here, you can see the red. We had an A, B, and then this would be the C. So now what happens is we could be making, this was a wave A, this was a wave B, and now we're going to make a final wave C up here. And again, all we want to do, if we just break this move down into an ABC move, if we see some weakness, then, I would really kind of expect the bulls to step in somewhere around the 2041 level, which is the moving average. And if it goes lower than that, then we really need to see them step in, between these levels here. We could be in some type of triangle. And if they open up on Monday, then what it basically really is just instead of just breaking off into an ABC move, it would just more look like this is your A, this is your B, and now we would be making a wave C up here. So it's still, we don't have any bearish divergences in place. We are a little bit overbought right here, but nothing crazy. You can see momentum is kind of heading down a little bit. And that's what kind of leaves the door open where we could make a wave. We could see a little bit of weakness on Monday, make a wave B and then a wave C up. That would fit a profile. Or again, if it heads up, then this is going to be the wave C, and all it is just an ABC move. So it would make sense for higher, and then once that completes, then we're probably going to get some bearish divergences in place. We're probably going to get some sell signals, and it's one of those things that I wouldn't be surprised to see, some weakness after that. But they may not start that until the new year. Maybe they start it the last week. Again, it's really tough to say because we don't have any real, concrete buy or sell signals. We just look like we're in this pattern right here. So again, if we head down, below the 2041 level in that area, I'm starting to be a little concerned. But it still could be that they're going to find support here for this wave B before a wave C up. And really, if we start taking out this trend line right here, then we're probably not going to be, seeing the wave C up, and everything is probably completed. So that's really the easiest way to break everything down. If we look at a 15-minute chart, we do have bearish divergences. So this would fit with some type of, little bit of a retracement. We really don't have a full 5 waves. They're really kind of minor, but again, you can see the 2041 is support right here, as well as a moving average, and as well as the upside 50% retracement. So again, I think this is important right here. And again, what we may do, it may be just like a shallow pullback and then up. But if we do see that, then what's happening is we're probably going to get bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart. And when I start to see those, I'm either going to really just put a really tight stop in place with the last position that I have, or just take it off the table altogether, because I don't really want to be rolling the dice, because the market hasn't really been acting as strong as it should have been in this time period, and it seems like some things have changed, and we don't want to be pressing the upside if we start seeing some sell signals. So on a 5-minute chart, what we really, we still could be trading within this channel right here that I was showing you. That would hint that we could see a move someplace up to the 2090 area. Really, I would say if we just keep an eye, on we have 2052, 2043, and 2336 are some retracement levels. And again, we're still you can that 2041 area is still makes sense, and we also have this gap right here at 2039. So if we have a pullback, this is really where we want to be seeing the bulls step in and try to support things if we are going to get that last push higher. So right now, I'm a little more neutral than I was, bullish when I thought we were going to get this big move. It just took a little bit of a different avenue than I thought, but. If they open up and press higher, what we can do is just raise our stops and let things, wait till it stops us out, or just take it off the table, wait for, the complete sell signals and resistance to hit, and then maybe go short. So right now, again, I think Monday's going to be pretty important for us to take a look at and see how things trade. And just keep a neutral hat on right now, and we'll see how things play out. So with that, enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I'll talk to you guys Monday.